My main got banned. That sucks. I think we're gonna play Nami. If we can't play Yumi, we're just gonna play the second best. I think Nami is really strong at the moment. Although she isn't very fun to play, but she is strong. Yeah. Could also go hard engage, especially against the Blitz. You kind of want to have a hard engage because Nami is pretty vulnerable. But I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. Interesting. Why not? Yeah. Oh man. We should have gone hard engage. They got two obnoxious assassins. Man. We're gonna die a lot this game. We're gonna die a lot. So it's either barrier or exhaust. I'm not really sure. We're gonna die anyway. We're gonna die instantly, either way. I don't understand why ADCs still pick heal. It's, in my opinion, completely useless on an ADC. And the only champions that should go heal are healers like Nami, Soraka, and Yumi. ADCs have no use for heal at all. They should go Ignite or Exhaust. This is not 2010 anymore, boys. God. This ADC has the right idea. She's gone Exhaust. That's what you want to do. And we don't really even have an assassin on this team except for Tryndamere. Oh well. This is gonna be rough. It's gonna be really, really rough. But let's do it anyway, dude. Electrocute Nami. That's a good joke. I can't spell today. What's the right mastery? Let's hear it. Let's freaking hear it, dude. Hail of Blades. I think he's right. I think I should have gone Hail of Blades. Good old Nami. Take it easy. I only wish for a quiet, peaceful laning phase. That is what I wish. No more, no less. That's all I wish for. Come on, Blitz. Throw a Q. Throw a Q, come on. Okay. I don't mind playing the long game. At all. It's fine. But this is kind of a dangerous position to be in. I want it pushed in. We can get away from here. Yeah, that's better. That's the first kill. Not bad. Okay, okay. Our team is doing well. Mr. Cannon there, Nick. Buddy? Okay. Actually, I think we want to go Dock Seal just because we can. Just because we can. And so right now, I'm wondering whether I should max E or W. I'm aware that W got buffed, but I think that E is the you get better damage output from E. But again, if Lucian gets hooked, I'll have to be there ready with the heal. Yeah. Ooh, that was a good one. Final land bubble and there's no one to follow up. Great. Yeah. He's probably... yeah, he's gonna come again. It's over there now. I think we can sneak in here. Take care of this this bastard. Nice. Now we could also take the Drake. Oh, we fucked up, dude. We are so screwed. Oh. Come on, come on. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, we'll take that. That turned out better than I expected. I mean, the wave is fucked, but we got a few kills. It's not too bad. Yeah, there's not much growth here. Just gonna hold the wave for Lucian. Take that solo EXP. When he comes back, that's when we recall. Let's just get the boots completed. Oh boy, he's trolling because the wave is fucked. Now he fixed the wave, but it's not really fixed at all. And there's nothing we can do here. But as you can see, they're going for the plates. We still have our barrier, so even if they try to dive us, I think we should be able to. Oh, here he comes. Never mind. You're not getting any plates. Not off of me. Looks like Lucian want to freeze, but it's not a wave that can be freezed, so... I mean, we could go Drake. We have been able to do that. Could have done that many times now. But, Oh, he's lucky. Perfect. So you're gonna go for the cannon here? Yeah. Got it. Alrighty. Things are looking pretty okay, but there's one takeaway. If there's one takeaway in this game, is that you are never assured victory until that Nexus falls. I've lost so many games that I thought I would win, and I've won so many games that I thought I would lose. Alright. There's the blitz. There's a little too many there. What a waste. Why did I flash for that? And why did my boy not follow me? If imagine if he was there with me and Jarvan. That would be a 4 kills right there. That's just unlucky. A little bit unlucky. She's gonna die. Yeah, goodbye. What is this bullshit? And they live with A. Phew. Okay, that's worth. But now it soon won't be worth. One of these days I'm gonna, when I play Nami, I'm gonna max E first. But the problem with that is that you need a very, very aggressive ADC who will actually dash in when you use your E. No. But there's a ward there. Am I gonna get baited? Not today. Good. Okay, the Drake is ready. I can't really do that to you. But are we gonna make it? That was kind of a bad ult. Why did I do that? Phew. I think we got this Drake. And Trentamy is killing it up top. Beautiful. There we go. I'm all out of mana. And I can finally get my Imperial Mandate. That's the biggest power spike for Nami, in my opinion, because you can proc it off of any ability just by using the Tide Caller, because your passive, or not the passive, but your E slows the movement speed of others. You automatically proc it when one of your allies attacks the enemy. It's pretty broken on Nami, actually. I don't think there's any other... oops. What did I just do? I don't think there's any other champion that I would buy Mandate on other than Nami. Because on Yuumi you go Ludens if you are a smart guy. On Celine you want a max E, so you want to go for the Shirelias, get the maximum cooldown reduction. That could also be good for Nami, you know, depending on the situation, but in 99% of all cases you want to go Mandate. It's just that much better. It's a lot worse here. Oh. I should have known better. Just get out of there, man. It was so obvious. Of course there's going to be a blitz here with the pink ward. But at least we get the inhib. If we're... yeah, we get the inhib. It'll be worth. Yes, he dies, but we still get the inhib. He didn't even want to waste his ult. Alright. Yeah. Let's get Ardents. We got a lot of auto attackers this game. Yeah, there he is again. Going what? I fucked up. Ah, I'm so bad. That Kha'Zix is going for me every single time. You know what? We're gonna get a stopwatch. Because why the hell not? We're just gonna get a stopwatch. This is why it's much better to play Yuumi. You don't have to worry about positioning, you don't have to worry about getting attacked. Only when you hop and bop. It's the only time you're able to get attacked. It's such an OP champion, man. I love it. Does kind of feel like it's getting a little bit harder. Nice stopwatch. Why did I even do that? Trolling. I'm fucking trolling, man. And now they engage for whatever reason. Huh. They don't even need me. Okay. I'll just say with and pretend that I was a part of that. From now on, I'm only gonna stand behind our allies, and I'm not gonna reveal myself. Just gonna, like a good old Soraka, just gonna buff them from behind, like this. And if I go in here, LeBlanc will be there. You can face check, then I'll ward. I'm not going warding alone. That's just not gonna happen. Are you serious? I can't save you there, dude. Not even gonna use my ult for that. What a waste. I think he's dead there. Is he? They're chasing the Javan. Maybe we can get the tower. Let's get it, man. Okay, this is very worth. Very, very worth. Fuck Lucy. Okay. Not bad. I think we might have to retreat here. It's 3 inhabs. Yep. Nice. I think this game is done. I think we win this. Yeah, there he is. Oh, I love getting carried, man. It's the best feeling in the world. We'll take that sweet LP. Thanks. Wow, okay. Nice damage, Lucian. I honestly thought he would be doing the most damage, but even the split pushing Tryndamere did more than him. And Blitz almost did more than him. I almost did more than him. Weird. Very weird. Well, GG, my dudes. GG.